Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by starting the beans and aromatics together so flavor builds early. Drain soaked beans, place in a pot with about 1 cup water or broth to prevent sticking, and cover. Meanwhile, heat 1/4 cup oil in a skillet. Sauté chopped onion, minced garlic, and chopped Scotch bonnet until translucent and fragrant. Once the aromatics bloom, add them to the beans. Doing this now means the beans will absorb the aromatics as they soften, giving a deeper sauce later. You now control texture and depth by simmering and mashing. Simmer the beans gently for 45 to 60 minutes, adding 1/2 cup water increments if they dry. This keeps starch release steady. Once soft, scoop out 1/2 cup cooking liquid and set aside. It's your thickness insurance. Mash about 1/3 to 1/2 with a potato masher for a rustic sauce, or pulse briefly in a blender for smoother consistency. Make sure to return reserved liquid gradually. That's how you dial. You finish by brightening and balancing the sauce. Stir in a tablespoon vinegar or lime juice and about a teaspoon bouillon, then taste and adjust salt and pepper. Simmer 5 to 10 minutes so flavors marry. Fold in chopped parsley or a spoon of epis for herbal lift just before serving. If the sauce is too thin, simmer uncovered to reduce. If too thick, add reserved cooking liquid slowly until you reach the right body. If it tastes flat, a small pinch of sugar can round it out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.